In this video, we'll be looking at direct conversion of denary numbers to base 3. And the last video, we looked at direct conversion of denary numbers to base 2. And we saw it worked for base 2. Now, looking at that of base 3, let's see how we're going to do this in this case. Solution. Now, for this direct conversion, we'll be using the similar method. But let's see the little advanced method, little addition that we'll be making here. Now, in this case, we have 41. Now, remember, all these are in what? Base 10. Okay? We have 41 base 10, 56 base 10, and what? 73 base 10. Now, in which case, this now becomes, remember, for conversion of denary numbers to base 3, in this case, I'll look for which number I can raise 3 to, to get something close to 41. So 3 raised power 1, 3, power 2, 9, power 3, 27, power 4, 81. So I'm going to be using 3 raised power 3. Okay, yes. So 3 raised power 3 is what? Is 27. It means that I'm going to be having plus 14 to give me 41. So from 14 I can get 3 raised power 2, which is 9, and this is what? 27 plus 9 here is what? This is 6, this is 3. 36 from 41 is what? 36 plus what give us 41? 36 plus 5 will give me 41. And I can have from here 3 raised power 1 to give me 3. So 3 raised power 1. So I have 3 raised power 3, 3 raised power 2, 3 raised power what? 1. Now what remains? 36 minus 3 is what? 36 plus 3 is what? As 39. Remember what? Remember 2. Remember 2. Now, to give me 41, 3 raised power also give me 2. So let me just see what I'm going to do. I have this as remainder. Now, for this, what do I have? I have this as what? 3 raised power 3, 3 raised power 2, 3 raised power 1, and I have remainder what? 2. Now, what am I going to do to this remainder? What you can see, this becomes what? 1, 1, 1. There's no 3 raised power 0, so that's 0. Now, this remainder, what I will do is what? I will add it to my solution, which now becomes what? 1, 1, 1 what? 2, all base what? 3. As I said in my last class, or in the video of converting from denary to base 2, I said to confirm your solution is by saying what? Convert this to base 10 back. Okay, so if you convert this to base 10, you get 41. Or divide this by 3, like normal division, long division. Normal LCM division if you want to convert it to base 3. So you either convert it to base 10 to get this back, or divide this by 3, by base 3 to get this. So whichever you do, you're going to get this answer. So number 2, we have what? We have 56. Now for 56 base 10, 3 raised power 3 is 27, 3 raised power 4 is still 81, and this is 56. Is not 3 raised power 4 is 81, it's already more than 56. So I'll still be using 3 raised power 3. Now, remember the same thing I'm going to do. This is what? 27. 27 plus what to give me 56. 27 plus 29 should give me 56. But yes, very correct. Now, from this 29, I can still get another 27. From this 29, I can still get another 27. I can still get another 3 raised power 3. What I'm trying to say. So, because 3 raised power 2 is never close by yet, I can still get another 3 raised power 3. This is what? 54. 54 from 56 remains what? 2. 54 from 56 remains what? 2. Now, what can I raise to power 3 to get to? Nothing also. So I add 2 3 raised power 3. I add another 3 raised power 3. How will I do this one? Now what I'll do is, if I have more than one 3 raised power with the same powers, if I have more than one powers, more than one 3 raised power with the same powers, I mean, what I'll do is I'll add them together. So this becomes 3 raised power 3 plus 3 raised power 3, and that's going to be all. So remember, this is what 1 plus 1, then there's no 3 raised power 2. 3 raised power 2 is what? 0. 3 raised power 1 is what? 0. And 3 raised power 0 is what? Sorry, 0. Now this plus this gives me what? 2. So my answer is 2, 0, 0, 0. That's the answer. Just like 2000. Remember, we have a remainder here, plus 2. How will I do to my remainder? I'll add my remainder to the what? Final answer, which now gives me what? 2002 base 3. So this is the answer if you convert it. What I first do, I add 3 raised power 3 here, to give me 27. The remainder is what? 29. From 29, I can still get another 3 raised power 3, which gives me 27 here. On adding, I have 54, remainder 2. So since I have the same 3 raised power, I will add them together. After adding them together, I'll get 2 in this case. Then the rest is 0 because they don't appear. Then my remainder, I'll do what? Add it to my final answer. Then for number 3, we have 73. Okay. We have 73 for number 3. Now I'm looking at this 73 base 10 was given as a number 3 question. So how do I solve this? The same vein also. 3 raised power 4 is still 81. This is not 81. What I'll do here is what? As simple as saying 3 raised power 3, which is still 27, plus what will give me 73. This is the 6 here. That should be plus 46. Plus 46 should give me 73. Okay. I believe this is the answer. Okay. So plus 46 should give me 73. In that case then, very correct. Now, I can get another 27 from there. If I subtract 27 from this, I can get another 3 raised power 3, is what I'm trying to say. Which is 27. Now 27 added to this will give me what? 54, isn't it? And I'm looking for what? 73. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So plus, actually plus 19, I believe. Okay, plus 19, very correct. So this is the remainder. After adding another 3 raised power 3 to the initial 3 raised power 3. Now, from this, I don't have any other 3 raised power 3 here. I have 3 raised power 2. 3 raised power 2 is what? Is 9. So if I say plus 9, what will I have here? Plus 9 is, this is 3. This is 3, this is 63. Okay, remember what? Remember 10, I believe, to get 73. Okay, which other 3 raised power do I have in 10? I still have another 3 raised power 2. That's 9. Are we seeing it now? So, what remains? This is 2. Remainder 1, 72, plus what? 1. So this is the final remainder that I have now, plus 1. So what will be my answer here? This will be what? 3 raised power 3 plus 3 raised power 3. Then we have what? 3 raised power 2 plus 3 raised power 2. Then for 3 raised power 1, it does not appear. That's 0. 3 raised power 0 does not appear. That's what? 0. Now, in which case, what do I have? This now becomes 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1. 0, 0. Okay, so 1 plus 1 is what? 2. 1 plus 1 is what? 2, 0, 0. Now, remember I have my remainder to be what? To be plus 1. So I'm going to be adding the remainder here, which gives me what? 2 to 0 what? 1 is what? 3. Okay, let's just confirm for one of them. Let's check that the answer is correct. Let's use this last one. For 73, divide all through by what? 3. That's base 3, the base. Now, 3 in 73 is what? 3 in 7 is what? 2. Remember 1. 3 in 13 is what? 4. That's 12, you know. Remember 1. Then 3 in 24 is what? 8. Remember what? 0. 3 in 8 is what? 2. Remember 2. Finally, 3 in 2 is what? 0. Remember what? 2. Looking at my answer, I have it as what? 2 to 0, 1, which is this. And that's correct.